morning. This is Victory Activities TV. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared my turkey wings. And remember, in my fried rice, I told you I'm going to show you how I got my stock. And after preparing this, you're going to see how I got my stock for the fried rice in my last video. Now we go. Now I'll introduce to you. This is my powdered chicken flavor stock. Here I got my onion, red onion, which I like using. And this is my Maggi cube. This is my chopped ginger. This is my chopped ginger and a garlic. Here I have my chopped pepper. Here I have my chopped pepper, thyme. Here I have nutmeg. Here I have cucumber. Here I have curry. And forget to introduce to you. I got my salt here. This is my salt. Now we go. I'm going to switch off my fire. Add my ginger. Add my ginger and oil and garlic chopped one. This is my pepper. I'm going to add my pepper. Yeah, I'm going to add my Maggi cube. My powdered chicken stock. Going on, I'm going to add it. Yeah, my onions. I'm going to go adding my salt to make it taste well, you know. I'm going to add water. Good. Go. Yeah, this is my fried meat. This is the result of all I have been doing. So I want to tell you, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be the first to see it. Thanks for watching and God bless you. Bye.